In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an image URL in JPG format directly from Google Drive. This is a helpful technique whenever you need to share images online without downloading and re-uploading them. Whether you're sending photos for a project, adding images to a website, or organizing content for a presentation, creating a JPG link makes everything much easier and keeps the original image quality intact. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple drives. Once you're inside your drive, take a moment to locate the image you want to convert into a JPG link. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar to find it quickly. When you see the file, click once on it to select it. This highlights the image and lets Google Drive know which file you want to work with. Now look toward the top of the screen for the copy link icon. It usually looks like two chain links. If you hover your mouse over each icon, a description will appear so you can easily identify it. When you click copy link, a sharing menu may appear. If it does, adjust the settings so the image is viewable by anyone who receives the link. This ensures the JPG URL will work properly. After the link is copied, paste it into a text editor or your browser's address bar so you can make a small change. The default link usually ends with the word view, followed by extra text. This preview link will not give you a direct JPG file, so you'll replace this part with a specific format command. All you need to do is swap the ending of the URL with a new section that forces Google Drive to export the image as a JPG. The structure uses your file ID combined with a simple export command, and once you complete this change, the link will behave just like a normal JPG file. When someone clicks the updated link, it will download or display the image as a JPG instead of showing the usual Google Drive preview window. This makes the link perfect for inserting into documents, sharing with collaborators, or using in apps that only accept direct image URLs. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and a small adjustment to the URL, you now have a clean JPG link ready to share wherever you need it. Keep your most important URLs organized in a notebook or document so you can access them anytime without recreating them. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of my tutorials for simple tech tips that make your workflow faster and easier.